The only way we're gonna be able to stop copy and paste builds is if you start buying stuff you actually want to build and not what you want people to like you for. That's the whole point. It's literally a pattern. It always seems to do this. The car community will have a group of, and it's not necessarily a group, it's like a accumulation of everything. And it'll be this one set of vehicles that get picked out, just like the Mopars and all that good stuff that everyone wants. And then once one person starts it, it's always just one. Everyone buys it. They're like, ooh, I want it, I want it, I want it, I want it. Instead of, ooh, that's cool. I'm gonna get something similar to it. I mean, I'm not gonna tell you you can't buy a car the same as somebody else, but to avoid the copy and paste ideas, start doing stuff more original and stop, media watching. It's kind of dangerous for us all.